Hi friends, I'm Uma Shankar Pandey and this is Dr. USB channel. Welcome to the new video on why NotebookLM matters. Imagine an AI that doesn't just chat, it understands your work. Upload your research papers, lecture notes, PDFs, YouTube videos, web links, and within seconds, Google NotebookLM starts connecting ideas you didn't know were linked. It's quietly redefining how we read, think, and write. Under the hood, NotebookLM runs on the same Gemini engine that powers Google's most advanced large language models. The real breakthrough is source grounding. Every insight Google NotebookLM provides you is anchored in the materials you upload, not scraped from the web. Unlike standard LLMs, whose knowledge base is its massive pre-trained data set, the knowledge base for NotebookLM is the documents that you've uploaded, the links, etc. So there's low risk of hallucination. It's based on the materials you have uploaded. You can upload maximum of 50 sources per notebook, and the maximum file size per source is 200 MB. NotebookLM is free. There's the pro version as well that can be used by enterprise connection or people with Google One. Let's start working on NotebookLM. So you need to go to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google credentials, and this is the interface that you see. You can even change in to a light mode or a dark mode or whatever. You just need to start creating a new notebook, and as you can see there, we can upload sources there, and you can change the title if you require. So this is what the interface looks like. I'll come back to that in a minute, but as of now, let me just go back to the notebook that I have saved. So this is the untitled notebook. We don't need it, so let's delete it. Let's see the one on communication that we already have. So I'll just use the communication node, and you can see that there are these 7 PDFs that I've already uploaded or added as sources there. So these are important books on communication theory and models. If you can see here, there are these 2 sources, part 1 and part 2. That's the Encyclopedia of Communication, which I have divided into 2 parts using Acrobat Pro. Now there's a context window, and you can upload books up to 500 pages. So that book was about over 1000 pages, so I had to divide them into 2 parts. So these are the 7 sources that I have. There are many things we can upload here. So as you can see there on the left side, we have the sources, so we can add sources there. So here the sources, we can add PDFs, we can add Markdown, and as you can see, we can bring in things from the Google Drive as well. So as of now, I can see there are 7 sources out of 50 that I've added there. I can add in files from my Google Drive. It can be Google Slides, it can be Google Docs, or any other thing. The good thing is that whenever these things are updated, if anything in your Google Drive updates itself, it will update on the NotebookLM as well. So as you can see that this is the chat window, and this is where all the things will happen. Right now it is just providing me with information about the sources. On the right side is the artifacts that Google NotebookLM provides. I can get a video overview, I can get an audio overview, I can get mind maps, etc. So this is where we begin. So let's add so as we can see here, we can add YouTube links here. We can add them one by one if we want. We just need to paste the URL link and it will be added there. But if we have a playlist, how do we go about then? So in that case, we go to this Chrome extension, YouTube to NotebookLM Chrome extension. We need to add it to Chrome. So let's add it to Chrome. It will take some time. We need to add this extension, give the necessary permissions. This is being added to Chrome. Now we can see that inside this thing of extension. So I have these 2 extensions. So I'll need to click onto that extension when I come to my YouTube playlist. So let's go to the YouTube playlist on media and communication theories from my YouTube channel. So as you can see that there are 16 videos there. I need to add all these videos onto my NotebookLM. So otherwise I would have to kind of copy and paste it one by one, but I just need to click on to this extension. The moment I click onto that extension, it will ask to link with my existing notebook, and as you'll see that all these videos will be added in just one click. Just see on the left side, all the videos are being added. Now since I had more than 50 videos, the ones which cross that limit will not be uploaded as sources here, or will not be added as sources here, and I'll have to kind of delete them. So as we'll see, all these videos will be put as a transcript. The NotebookLM will be using these transcripts to generate reports or to provide me insights, etc. So now let's delete the ones which are beyond the 50 source limit. If you have a pro account or if you have a paid account, it allows you more than that, 3 times more than that. So we're not using a paid account as of now, so let me just remove it one by one. And
now I have this information about my sources. The provided source offers a comprehensive overview of mass communication theory spanning historical models, etc., etc. So this is giving an idea about what these sources are. Now I can start interacting with my sources, the sources that I have here, and the information using Google's powerful Gemini engine will use their AI power to answer those questions. So for example, I could ask questions like
provide me with an overview of important digital media theories. So as you can see here, this is the output I get, and if we click onto one of those references, it will point out to the exact place where this citation occurs. So in this case, this is from one of my videos which has been transcribed by NotebookLM, and the reference is there. Similarly, if I want to see the citations or the reference of these individual reports, this is easily available. Now I want to find out, I want to use only the PDF sources to prepare or to provide me with a comprehensive report. So let's work on that now. Now I get a comprehensive report based on the PDF sources, the books that I had uploaded. And as you can see here, the entire references are from the document that I've uploaded. It is source grounded, as I said. Everything is referred back to one of the documents that I've uploaded. Now I need to save this response as a note, because if you do not save it as a note, it will be lost to us when we come back the next time. So this has to be saved as a note, and for that we just need to click to save to note, and it will be saved in one of the artifacts on the right hand side.
And this is being saved here. So earlier I had a question on media society theories, and this is what the note was. I can convert this to a source if you want, but right now it is not possible because I have used up the entire 50 source window. Otherwise we can convert our notes to sources as well. So these are the two nodes that I have. I can even use these source, or I can use this to provide me with a quiz as a learning exercise. So I created this quiz, communication quiz, which was based on the PDF sources. So if I want to use it as a learning exercise, I can just, according to Shannon Weaver's model of communication, what is the term for interference? So we know that it is noise. So it will just tell me this is right. We go next. Relation dialectics theory is built on several assumptions about relation life. Which of the following is considered the fundamental fact of relation life actor according to this theory? So whatever. So let's say, for example, if I say certainty, it will say no. Contradiction is the right answer. So if I just want to use it as a study tool, it's extremely useful. The best thing about this is that I can create an overview in all these languages. I can create an audio overview in Hindi, Bangla, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, and all these languages. I have created a overview, so let me just play this for you.
Okay, let's be honest. Right now, your brain is probably swimming in content. Every single day, it feels like this flood of news alerts, social media, streaming. It just never stops.
I can download this audio file. I can share it. I can change the playback speed. I can even use it in the interactive mode. I can even convert it to a source. But when I go to this audio overview, it provides me with an option of changing the format. Do I want it as a deep dive? Do I want it as a brief side? Do I want it as a critique? The length, it can be longer, shorter, or whatever. We can ask the AI host to focus on certain things. I can change the language. I can change the language to Hindi, for example. Now, as you can see, this audio overview is being generated. It takes some time to generate that audio overview. So I'll speed it up for you. You can also work on mind maps. Now the mind map is working on all the 50 sources. So it's all working on the Gemini AI engine in the background. So this mind map is ready now. Let's see the mind map. So based on the 50 sources, the mind map is about the major communication theories and models. So as you can see here, communication theories and models, the models, major effects, critical, cultural and ideological theories, media ecology and medium theory, postmodernism and post-structuralism. So this is an AI generated mind map. I can just expand on these nodes and models. They are talking of these three: transmission, interactional, alternative. I can even go further. It's about description. This, it will just, if I click onto any of those nodes, it will provide me the link where those descriptions are coming from. So it brings in the chat itself, discuss what these sources say about description, the larger context of transmission model, linear one way. And we are getting an overview of that in a moment's time. So here it is. As a learning guide, my first step is to understand your perspective, etc., etc., and it is providing me with the linear model as a description tool. As usual, there are these sources. So if you click onto that, as we've seen earlier, we'll go to the actual source wherever it comes from, the actual text from which this report is generated. As usual, I can save this to Note. So let me just collapse this. Now let's go back to the Hindi audio that has been generated. So let's see this.
कभी सोचा है कि हम जो कुछ भी जानते हैं या जानने का दावा करते हैं वो जानकारी हम तक पहुंचती कैसे है? आज के दौर में तो जैसे सूचनाओं की बाढ़ सी आई हुई है ना, हर तरफ से कुछ ना कुछ आ रहा है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, बहुत ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन है।
तो ये जो पूरी प्रक्रिया है, जानकारी भेजना, पाना, फिर उसे समझना, जिसे हम संचार या कम्युनिकेशन कहते हैं, ये ऊपरी तौर पर जितनी सीधी लगती है उतनी है नहीं। मतलब इसके पीछे कई परतें हैं।
So as you can see there, this is such a wonderful resource that we have, and we can create this audio overview in Bangla, in Gujarati, in Marathi, in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, any language. And we can save it, download it, share it with students or share it with anyone, or put it on our website or whatever. We can also get video overviews if you want. So let's go there. So we can have an explainer, we can have a brief bite-sized overview, and we can use any of these visual styles. Maybe in a future video I'll show you these video overviews in greater details. We can even create reports. So it tells us, we can just create our own style. It can be a briefing doc, it can be a study guide, it can be a blog post, and it will also provide me with suggestions on the report that it seems are useful. So it can provide me with that kind of a report. So for example, if I just want a policy proposal or I want a research synthesis, so just let me, or a debate outline, so let me just click onto this research synthesis, and this report is now being generated. So it takes some time. As you can see that this report is being generated. So let's wait for the report. As you can see, we can create flashcards, and the quiz has already been shown there. You can even generate flashcards. So we can have fewer or more number of flashcards. We can have we can change the level of difficulty, and we can just click generate, and it is there for you to use in whatever way we can. So the report is now ready. Let's see the report. So this is a synthesis of theoretical perspectives of media influence and audience reception. If I want, I can expand this further. So this is a comprehensive report on the foundation models, on the transmission paradigms, on the interactive systems based models, on paradigms of media influence and effects, on all these things, on the active audience and theories of reception, on social construction and framing. So a comprehensive report which I can just copy and paste on my documents. Let's just bring it back. As you can see, another thing here, we can add our own notes. So if there is anything that I need to add, I just need to click onto that, and a new note will be generated, and I can just put in my thoughts there. And I can even convert it to a source. While we're chatting with our sources, we can get these kind of prompts from the NotebookLM itself.
To get more technical, there's a 1 million token context window for NotebookLM. What that means is that for every query you make, the NotebookLM chat feature can simultaneously consider up to 750,000 words of relevant information from your uploaded sources to get an answer. In the age of infinite data, what matters is context, and that's exactly what NotebookLM gives you. It doesn't just process information, it helps you see meaning. I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, have a great time.